Hey guys, wanna wear $1,000?
Yes.
I wanna. Me too.
I'm Alice broke. Sign me up.
I love free money.
This game is very simple. So use the letter in the conversation and win $1,000.
Easy. Easy has in. Here are some additional rules. Blah blah blah. I agree to everything. Let's go. Who wants to go first? Me. Me has in. Wait. We started already? See rule number 4. Game begins once I ask the first question. Oh my gosh, I don't write the rules. Whoa, game wants the record speed. Since you're a cute little cat, I'll give you one more chance. Thank you, Mr. Beast. You're the best. I know. Mod is much. The game now begins. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Seriously, bro? I'm good to go, sir. Good save. Here's your first question. What's your name? You have 5 seconds. Ooga. I did it. I don't get it. What? It's a bell. Ooga. The word bell has a... Give me $100. Dang it.